Eat avocados more, see what happens to your body. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, and that can help your long-term health. Avocados offer a range of health benefits, including improving digestion, decreasing the risk of depression, and improving skin health. In today's video, I'll share the benefits of eating more avocados and how it can help to improve your health in many different ways. Be sure to watch until the end, because there may be a few benefits you've probably never heard of before. So if you're ready, let's get started. Nowadays, avocado has become an incredibly popular food among health-conscious individuals. It grows in warm climates and is referred to as a superfood. Avocados contain vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats, which can help a person feel fuller between two meals. Eating fat slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Let's see the important benefits of avocado. Number 1. Healthy for the heart. Regular consumption of avocados offers monounsaturated fatty acids and oleic acid, which may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which are important for heart health. Further, it also contains great levels of potassium, helping to reduce blood pressure and the risk of heart attacks. All of these nutrients reduce the risks associated with heart disease. Number 2. Reducing depression risk. Avocados are a good source of folate, which plays an important role in overall dietary health. Various studies found links between low folate levels and depression. The folate lowers the homocysteine, which impairs circulation and delivery of nutrients to the brain. Research has shown that excess homocysteine links with cognitive dysfunction, depression, and the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. All of these regulate your mood, sleep, and appetite. Number 3. Good for eye health. Regular consumption of avocados offers potent and unique antioxidants. These include lutein and zeaxanthin, both phytochemicals present in eye tissue. They provide antioxidant protection to help minimize damage, including from UV light. Avocado contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which also support the absorption of other beneficial fat-soluble antioxidants, like beta-carotene. As a result, it helps reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Number 4. Improving digestion. Since avocados are high in fiber, which helps to improve your digestive function, it contains approximately 6 to 7 grams of fiber per half avocado that offers both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber in avocados can again help good bacteria in the gut to thrive, while it also promoting regularity, reducing constipation symptoms, and increasing nutrient uptake. Number 5. Good for the skin. Avocado contains a good amount of vitamin C and E that contribute to healthier skin. These nutrients help soothe the skin, and they repair and protect it from damage induced by the sun and other elements. Avocados are very rich in antioxidant properties. Avocado has carotenoids, fat, and fatty acid, which also help defend the skin from free radicals that can damage it. Number 6. Help to lose weight. Since the consumption of avocado can also offer tremendous benefits for weight control, because it contains monounsaturated fatty acids consisting of fats that are stored as slow-burning energy rather than fat. Avocado is very low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, two very important attributes that assist with weight loss. Adding avocado to your diet increases fullness feelings while reducing the urge to eat. Number 7. Cleanse liver. Consuming avocado helps the liver in cleansing the toxins from the body. It provides nature's strongest antioxidants in the form of glutathione. That helps the liver filter out toxins and other harmful substances in the body. Healthy liver help improves your immunity, as the stomach, gallbladder, and liver are relatively connected. And about 80% of the immune system lives in the stomach. So, when the liver is functioning well, you also have good immunity. At last, it helps to manage diabetes. Avocado is one of the best sugar-free fruit that doesn't contain sugar. Its consumption doesn't significantly raise blood sugar. They're a great source of fiber, and eating a fiber-rich diet may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. These are the top benefits of eating avocados regularly. So start using it in your daily diet. Would you like to eat avocado after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It really helps to support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. If you want to see more videos from us, then hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Stay fit and thanks for watching.